Welcome guys in another lecture of digital logic circuit design implementation using Multisim. In today's lecture we are going to implement NOR gate logic using multiplexer. So NOR gate is basically opposite of OR gate. Here if any single input is at logic high or all inputs are at logic high, output is 0, and if all inputs are 0 then output is 1. This is the NOR gate logic implementation using multiplexer. You can see the first input is at bar and second input is having fixed to ground. So second input is at ground and in first input we are giving complemented input and S is select line. You can see here this is the bar input. So let me put here NOT gate. So I'll write NOT and you will get the logic symbol here. So you have to just click OK, place it here and then this. So this is now the first input S0. You don't get confused that S0 is written below, so this is second input. No, that is first input. And you can see here select line is 0, first input is 0. After getting complemented it will become 1, so output is going to be 1 here. So 0 0 and you are getting 1 at the output. So you will get the complemented output after input is passed. So you can see here both inputs are 0 and output is 1. The indicator is blinking. But in all other cases output is going to be 0. So when I put 1 here, after getting complemented it becomes 0. And this is AND gate logic, so that operation is being performed. When I put select line to 1, then always I am going to get output 0 because it has been fixed to 0. So second input is already fixed to 0. I'll be getting 0 at the output. So this is how basic NOR gate logic works, and we have successfully implemented NOR gate using multiplexer. So that's it for this lecture.